Exactly. Side there, it looks as though that they may be using dummy bullets. There goes the dog. They pulled the dog there. Now the dog is inside. This is coming to an end now, finally. Let's see if the dog, as soon as the dog does its thing here with the driver, then you'll see there the officers are going in now. Again, we don't know whether the driver is conscious. They're going to try to go in from the driver's side. I'm going to pull back a little bit here because we don't know exactly what's going to happen. Is he hanging on? Can't tell, but it looks as though they're having difficulty getting